Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, we'll quickly understand the differences between code prompt and text prompts. We will start with text prompts first. What is text prompt? Very simple. They are the written instruction or the questions provided in the natural language to guide the AI systems like ChatGPT in generating textual outputs. That's all. They are typically very much human readable and complexity can be very simple for you to understand as well. So I'm going to give a text prompt here and that's going to be very easy for you to understand. So write a short summary of Ramayana. That's all. This is a textual prompt. That's it. Now this textual prompt is something that we have given where the system, the AI system can understand it and it can give a reply back to me in a way that I can understand, and this is usually textual. You can creatively generate content. For creative writing, this is a great way to use it and multiple options are there. You can try it out. Now let's get into the code prompts. Code prompts are written instructions or code snippets provided in programming language syntax to guide the AI systems in generating code outputs. They are structured inputs that adhere to the programming language convention. Now, I can give a small piece of program and it can give me the reply back saying that this part is wrong, this part is right. Or I can ask a question in a very structured way where it can generate a program for me and it can give it to me. For an instance, I am going to give a very simple input as calculate. I want to calculate the factorial of a given number. Please give me a Python code. For the same. Now, this is very specific where you can see that I have got an output and this is code prompt I can refer to. I am giving input very specifically in a very structured pattern and it is giving me output as I expected, and in this code prompt the AI system is directed to generate code that calculates the factorial of the given number. The prompt clearly includes the input. It says that it is going to be factorial and I can even make it very specific. Like I can say that these are all the restrictions I have, these are all the constraints you need to think about, and that can even generate code with your constraints that you have specified. So two types of prompts are there. The first one is called text prompt. The second one is called as code prompts. I hope I have made it very clear, and this is a very important point that you need to understand if you are beginning with the prompts. But if you have any questions, go ahead and type it in the chat section. I'll be very glad to assist you. Thank you.